We all love the look and feel of timber. Protect it with CUTEK external timber oils. Highlight the natural grain and beauty of wood whilst providing robust and long-lasting protection against moisture. Before you begin, CUTEK timber oils must be applied to wood that is clean, non-greasy and dry. Refer to the CUTEK Prepare range to ensure that your timber is appropriately prepared for coating. It is important to check hazards and precautions and ensure that you've obtained and know how to use the correct safety equipment as per our safety data sheet available on our website. Here is what you will need: paint tray, brush, broom, roller, lambswool applicator or CUTEK Deck Boss brush, drop sheets, detergent, turpentine or CUTEK Quick Clean for cleaning, paint stirrer and safety equipment. Application. CUTEK timber oils generally require 2 to 3 days of dry conditions after coating to facilitate full diffusion into your timber and an even colour finish, so check your weather forecast before coating. If using CUTEK colour tone, stir the colour tone well and add to the can of CUTEK oil. Stir thoroughly with a paint stirrer before and every 20 minutes during use. Apply thin, even coats with a brush, paint pad or lambswool applicator. CUTEK's Deck Boss brush works best. Begin by cutting in the edges before applying to large central areas. CUTEK timber oils work best when applied as a thin coat. A little goes a long way, and applying too much oil can significantly slow the dry time and change the finish. After coating, CUTEK Extreme CD50 will slowly migrate into your wood. This diffusion process can take several days to complete. You will know when your timber is ready for a second coat when it is completely dry and non-greasy. The second coat of CUTEK Extreme CD50 will take longer to migrate into your timber than the first. After the final coat, make sure you keep off the wood completely until it is completely dry. Maintenance. Maintenance is simple, fast and cost effective. CUTEK timber oils will not flake or peel, so there is no need to sand or strip. Simply reapply to clean timber when the wood is no longer beating water or as frequently as necessary to retain the colour. Cleanup. Equipment may be cleaned with terps, soap and water or CUTEK Quick Clean, and ensure the wash water is disposed in accordance with local regulations. For other hints, tricks and videos on CUTEK, Prepare and Protect products, visit the CUTEK website.